The ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to promote weight loss, improve blood sugar control, and enhance overall health. The keto diet works by forcing the body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. The ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to promote weight loss, improve blood sugar control, and enhance overall health. The keto diet works by forcing the body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Here are some basic principles of the keto diet. Limit carbohydrates. On the keto diet, you'll want to limit your intake of carbohydrates to 20 to 50 grams per day, depending on your individual needs. Increase fat intake. To make up for the reduced carbohydrate intake, you'll need to increase your fat intake. This typically means eating plenty of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. Moderate protein intake. Protein intake should be moderate, as excessive protein can be converted to glucose and interfere with ketosis. Drink plenty of water. It's important to stay hydrated on the keto diet, as the body uses more water to process the increased fat intake. Be patient. It can take a few days to a few weeks for the body to fully adjust to the keto diet and enter a state of ketosis, where it starts burning fat for fuel. It's important to note that the keto diet is not appropriate for everyone, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. Some people may experience side effects such as headaches, constipation, or fatigue when first starting the keto diet. Additionally, the keto diet may not be appropriate for people with certain medical conditions, such as liver or kidney disease, or for pregnant or breastfeeding women.